Did you like any of the questions?
Oh, very interesting, fascinating questions. Which one do you want me to answer first?
Well, all right. The most single compelling piece of evidence that you have, and could it have been light reflections?
Well, obviously, this is the first thing that we try to eliminate. And what I want to stress is that we have now gone through 3 different types of missions to find photography that overlaps the same area.
Yes.
We have the Lunar Orbiter, which was a mission that basically, there were 5 missions in the Lunar Orbiter series. They photographed basically all of the moon, in both in overhead projection looking straight down as well as in perspective.
All right, well, that's a good answer. In other words, light reflections maybe once but not 3 times.
No, and we have multiple geometries, multiple lighting, multiple missions, multiple technologies. That's why I say we got it nailed.
All right, relationship between the structures on Mars, the moon, and our own pyramids.
The most striking is the symbol, the sign that led us to this site. We have an 18-mile crater called Oort that's located about 7 degrees north of the lunar equator. The libration can bring it down to where it's at the sub-Earth point, or close to it at some times. And inside this crater there is an 8-diameter equilateral triangle. And around the rim there are 3 bright portions that when you connect those edges, you get a double inscribed equilateral triangle, one within the other. And that, of course, is the mathematics represented in the monuments of Mars and at the Giza Plateau and in many ancient sites around the world in other cultures. So in the sense of there being a connection, that's the starting point for the connection.
All right.
Somebody knew the same math and geometry and physics.